All right, hey everybody, RV Enthusiast here. Nice seeing you again. Hey, today's the day. If you can look in front of me or behind me, you can see the asphalt. People are here to do my asphalt. So we're gonna take some drone photos, drone videos, and we're gonna follow these guys throughout the day. And from this angle as well, or whatever angle I can get. We're gonna watch these guys install my asphalt drive to the barn. And for some of this, I'm gonna quit talking just so we can watch. Wait, he's got the ability to stick that blade in and dig and get a lot more than I can ever get with my tractor. And I'm always afraid to damage by not going with a flat bucket. Doesn't look like he's really caring. He's just going to dig it out. So you can learn a lot from watching these guys too. You know, I may never have to do this again, but you can kind of learn like how I need to take care of other parts of my yard with the tractor, that, you know, maybe not necessarily be afraid to dig in a little bit with the blade. Now, I obviously won't dig out that much at a time, but we would see. Yeah, he's crushing it. So I was talking to him also, we were talking about the size, how much we're putting down and all that other stuff, and one comment he made, and it is true, which this is shocking to me, and it might be shocking to you. Asphalt, and look at all this equipment. This is high-end stuff right here. Asphalt is cheaper than putting carpet in your house in terms of square footage or yard footage. So if you're going to put a carpet in your house, you're going to pay more for a foot of that carpet than you pay per foot of asphalt. Shocking, correct? I think so. Good. Calling him kid, he's in his 30s, he's like 32, but holy cow, he knows his stuff. So you notice he's going back there and dumping it in my backyard. I do not want to get rid of the dirt because dirt is hard to come by on this land, and with my vole situation, they eat a lot of dirt. They don't eat dirt, but they move a lot of dirt. And I'm going to use that for filling holes and other stuff around the house. So that's what it's going to be used for. Bill, the son, is really good with a skid loader. He's been doing this for maybe 20 minutes. Maybe 20 minutes. He's already working on leveling out my gravel and pushing it into the deep holes that he had to make to get the 6 inches needed to put the asphalt in. But holy cow, he is phenomenal with that skid loader. I just wanted to give you guys a few seconds of him moving that. Really the difference between a professional heavy equipment operator, big equipment operator versus me with my tractors. Pretty amazing. And maybe it's also the difference in a tractor and a skid loader. You know, a tractor is kind of a jack of all trades, a master of none. A skid loader is a master of what it's doing, and it's got a master driver too. Craziness. Phenomenal. I'm impressed with too. He had a bigger load a minute ago, and he just, let's see if he does it. Lifting it, and then when he gets to the end, he has a little bucket full. He dumps that bucket full. And he kind of tosses it. Watch. But he knows he's got enough there. My opinion is you're watching a master. At 32 years old, he's a master of that piece of equipment for sure. He's so good at it. moves it out of the way so we can work. Craziness. Wasn't expecting that, so you got the tail end of it, you didn't get the front end of it picking it up. That's crazy. Alright guys, this is still pretty early in the morning. They started at 8. I can't imagine it's past 9:30. I will check, and the next time I talk to you I will put that in here so we can add that to the video. But holy cow, freaking impressive. That's when people know what they're doing. So it's 9 o'clock, 8:57 actually. So they got here at 8. We chatted a little bit. And this is where we're at in 1 hour. Almost like they're ready to put the asphalt down. Alright guys. You know, they said they do like 2 a day. I couldn't believe it. My thought was, yeah, they haven't seen mine. They're not going to do 2 today. But by golly, they may get 2 done today. I am thoroughly impressed with the ability and the workmanship. Thoroughly impressed at this point. First load of asphalt showed up. It's about 9:10, 9:15. And on to the next phase, which is rolling the gravel back in. And the next phase should be the asphalting. Alright guys, so after the first rolling of the gravel, he saw the highs and lows and brought the skid loader back in, did another level, scraped off more, moved it around more, and now they're doing a second pass on this. So in my opinion, this is step 3 and 4, and then I think we will be laying some asphalt.